QC got my back. Yeah, and just like that. Check this out. But it's just another morning from a silver fox, and I can tell by the rubbish cause I bust the whole box. And I got me a headache about this bed. I smell too much dank, that's what I done did. And I got a little freak up under my shoulder, looking in her face and I don't even know her. I took me a shower, about a half an hour. I woke up the chick and dropped her off at High Tower Station, cause I got no time for the chasing. I got no license, I'm on probation. Here's $1.25, you can catch the train. It ain't nothing but one of them west side things, and it really doesn't matter cause she know how I go. Word or more, you know you just a west side hoe, so I hit the Antwood. I bought a pound from the dread. I'm back up on the highway, I'm back to Bankhead, and I had to move fast. You know a nigga trafficking, you motherfucking fed. They don't wanna hear me rap again. I got to the A-town where all my niggas hang around, the Wild Wild West, better known as the B-town. The first thing I see, some bitches and some days to do. Just once on they booty, they could never be down with loot, but they could let a nigga pop that pussy. But they mad cause I told them that they need to take a douche, and that shit goes out to all of y'all. Kilo D don't give a fuck about none of y'all. Just a car full of bass and a blunt full of dank, and I call the itchy bun. I tell John I'm at the bank, and it's like that cause I write that and they like that. Every time you think I gone, don't I come right back. A nigga from the west side, I never goes out. And once again I give these niggas something to talk about. Check it.
Come on ride with me. KLG got the real bag. Come on ride with me. KLG got the real bag.
Check this out. When I'm riding down the street, I'm flexing with the fella. Them sucker ass bitches and niggas, they still jelly. Drink my Dom Perignon down to the last drop, and I'm never gonna quit it. I'm never gonna stop. B-town, nigga, spread that around. These niggas